Welcome once again. This is the last episode of the series in which we are going to talk about delivering the examination. We have studied well, our mental frame is ready for the examination, but now we have to reproduce whatever we have studied in the examination hall. Now, the final game is for 3 hours. As it is said in a one-day cricket, it is 3.5 hours game, but not 3.5 hours game, it's a one game. One ball game. एक बॉल आपने गलत शॉट प्ले किया, you are the loser. Same here. In this 3 hours examination, every minute you have to plan accordingly. अगर आपने properly plan कर लिया, then you can do it. Otherwise, you might have some problem. So we don't want you to have a problem. That's why how to rehearse for that. उसके लिए कुछ guidelines आपको देना चाहिए. First thing is, we all know that the examination hall time is 3 hours. So what we say, हमारे पास जो total writing time है, that is 3 hours, which makes it 180 minutes. Now remember, 180 minutes is not the practical time available with us, because writing the roll number, taking extra sheet, any problem, any confusion, you have to go out for water. All these things will take up time. So we must accordingly plan our writing part to be exactly 150 minutes, not more. If we can plan less than this, it is better. अगर नहीं तो 150 मिनट को हमने अपने आप पे एक्सीड नहीं करना. Now, so far as writing skill is concerned, we must understand what examiner wants from me. Quite a lot of time we find a question है, we know it, but the problem is he has not asked complete answer. किसी descriptive question में he has asked only certain points. हम सारा लिखने बैठ जाते हैं. Remember, 1 marker question है, तो 1 marker के बराबर ही आप उसको लिखेंगे. You will not write more than 3-4 lines. It is not required. If you write more, it will not fetch you more marks. But on the contrary, whenever it's a 5 marker question, 6 marker question, you have to write adequate so that you get full marks. There, if you write less, your marks will get deducted. So, we must plan हमको कितना लिखना है. मैं आपको मोटा मोटी बता सकता हूं. Per mark you can plan. For every mark you should plan roughly half page. Not more than that. अगर 1/3 पेज में भी हो जाता है, it is more than sufficient. That means 3 1-marker question can easily come in 1 page of your examination. Or for a 5-marker question, at the maximum it is 1.5 page. जिसके अंदर remember all those 5 marks question, if they are descriptive, it will definitely require a diagram. So आधा पेज आपका diagram में चला गया, आपको सिर्फ एक पेज उसके बारे में लिखना है. But in how much time we have to plan accordingly. Remember मैंने आपसे कहा, it is 150 minutes available for a particular paper. Supposing we devise 100% marks, you can easily calculate if 100% marks take 150 minutes, that means per 1% mark you have got 1.5 minutes. Now you can plan accordingly. आपको कितना टाइम है exactly. If it is a 5-marker question, 5% question, you have 7.5 to 8 minutes, because your all time planning has to be within 150 minutes due to 2 reasons. एक तो मैंने आपको practical reason बताया. दूसरा, if we get any question for which I have not seen it in the previous papers, I want to find a new question. In that case, मेरे को थोड़ा सोचने के लिए टाइम चाहिए, और अगर मेरा mental frame वहां पर ठीक नहीं होगा, पैनिक हो जाएगा मेरे पास. If I have less time, I will be panic, so I will not be able to perform well, which is very important. इसके लिए I must keep some time. Secondly, if I do my paper in stipulated time, in 150 minutes, in the last I am always left with 10 to 15 minutes to revise the paper. In lot of cases, we find students making very silly mistakes, for which we will talk in future things. But for those silly mistakes, if we have revision time, we can rectify. अगर हम rectify नहीं कर पाएंगे, that is the thing which pays a loss. देखिए, the topic which you don't know, you don't score is understood. But the topic which you know, but you have not written well and you don't score, that is the worst part. That is the point where you are not performing well after having the intelligentsia, after having the knowledge, after studying well. That is, we don't want under any circumstances So always have the writing skills properly well planned. आप कम से कम पर सब्जेक्ट 3-4 पेपर you must prepare at your home, but in the home when you prepare, reduce your time by further 15 to 20 minutes so that in 2 hours you plan your paper at home, then only you will be in a position to do well in the examination. अब आप इस पूरी सीरीज को देखिए, whatever suggestion you can send it to us, and now I will always say all the best for all the examination which are giving the paper for this year. I'll say best of luck to all students who are appearing in 2011. Thanks a lot.